Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the hypervisor games not launching issue on Windows 11. The first thing we need to do is disable Windows virtualization features. Press the Windows key and type Turn Windows features on and off and open it. The Windows features window will open. Scroll down through the list and locate Hyper-V. If Hyper-V is checked, uncheck the box next to it. Next, find Virtual Machine Platform. If it is enabled, uncheck it as well. Then locate Windows Hypervisor Platform and make sure that box is also unchecked. After disabling these features, click OK. Windows will apply the changes. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. After your PC restarts, click on the Windows search bar and type Core Isolation. Open the Core Isolation settings from the search results. Look for the Memory Integrity option. If it is turned on, click the toggle switch to turn it off. You may be asked to restart your computer. If so, go ahead and restart before continuing. The next step is to enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. Open Settings and select System. Click Display, scroll down and open Graphics, then select Default Graphics Settings. Find Hardware-Accelerated GPU Scheduling and turn it on. After enabling this option, restart your computer one more time. That's it. Thanks for watching.